me skirt, skirt, skirt like I stole it. I've been rolling, 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 rolling. Pack loud, got a nigga wide open.
Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell by the title, today I'm going to be defining my curls using a twisted up comb. This is a video I'm really excited about because this is a tool that I've been wanting to use for my curls for a long time, and I'm finally doing it. So I'm excited to see how it turns out. Basically, this is another method, like I said, of defining your curls. It's different than a curl sponge because you see it's made out of like metal and plastic and stuff like that. So there's different like benefits to that. You can go check out all that on their website, but like one of the biggest ones is like, you know, sanitary reasons. Like, you know, a sponge will absorb a whole bunch of like, I don't know, like it'll accumulate bacteria maybe over time and stuff like that. This is supposed to also be more eco-friendly. So the products I'm going to be using today are the Curls Blueberry Bliss line. Okay, and yeah, I'm just super excited to see how it turns out. So if you guys are interested, just stay tuned, and if you're not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now. So I always start by doing my hair with wet hair. I usually do my hair fresh out the shower, but obviously you guys see I'm not fresh out the shower right now. So I am going to spray my hair with water before I get started. I don't normally talk through my tutorials that much anymore, so I just feel like they're pretty self-explanatory, but if you guys have any questions about anything that I did throughout the process, just comment below. Okay, you guys, so here is the final result, and I feel like the results speak for themselves. My hair is super defined. Like, curl sponges really define my curls. Okay, first of all, my eyes are like red and watery because like I've been wearing a lot of makeup lately, and I low-key feel like it's irritating my eyes. So I feel like someone's gonna comment on that, so let me just mention that right now. But anyway, I feel like the results speak for themselves. Like I said, my hair is super defined. Curl sponges really do define my hair. However, this definitely takes the cake. Like, curl sponges, I feel like even though it defines my curls, it can sometimes also still come out a little frizzy. I don't see nearly as much frizz as I do with a curl sponge. Obviously there's a little bit because obviously my hair is slightly damaged because I have bleached it before, but however, considering the circumstances, my hair is super defined. This is totally worth the price. Twisted up sponges are $21.99, and I was iffy about buying it because I'm like, if I spend $22 on it and it doesn't work like I wanted to, I'm gonna be mad. So that's why I've been so reluctant to try it, but definitely worth it. Definitely worth it. Like, do you guys see this? I am super satisfied. Let me just mention that one, while I was doing it, I wasn't pressing down. I was basically just like circling the surface. Like, you don't have to press down really hard. You can just like go over it lightly. I hope that makes sense. Two, I did it for about 2 minutes or so because I really wanted to make sure that it was really gonna like fully do what it needed to do. And what other questions may you guys ask? I'll have all the products that I use listed below. Yeah, 5 stars out of 5 stars. Hands down, this is what is going to start being my go-to. If you guys want to see a video of me actually comparing the curl sponge, like doing the curl sponge on one half and the twisted up comb on the other half, let me know. But I feel like this review is enough to let you guys know that I definitely prefer this over a ordinary curl sponge. So yeah, I'm super pleased. No complaints, nothing. Like I said, I'll have everything in the description box below. If you guys have any additional questions, just let me know, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.